welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, my name is Jason, and as you can see from the opening, I do unboxings. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a second unboxing of what I kind of have been calling Ipsy Glam Bag's brother. It is called Fresche Box. I don't think they're actually connected with Ipsy at all, but it's kind of the same idea. It's a box of sample products. The subscription is $10 a month, and it's supposed to be geared towards men. So I was not terribly impressed with the first box, but let's see what we got in box number 2. So if that's something that you would like to see, then keep watching. Okay, so let's get right into this box. Like I said, this is called the Fresche Box, and it comes in a box like this. The boxes are nice. I love the color. It's a small box, you know, I can hold it in one hand. There's supposed to be sample products. I can't remember off the top of my head how many samples are supposed to come in here. But like I said, they're supposed to be geared towards men. So when you open up the box, this is what you see. And there's a little card in here. It says, Fresche Box. We provide the modern man with a curated box of quality grooming samples shipped free every month. Like I said, this is $10 a month. And they give you this little insert, which is good, that talks about the products. And let's see if it lists the prices. Probably not, because they are sample sizes. So yes, there's no prices because they are samples. When you pull that out, this is what the inside looks like. Okay. So in this box, we get a deodorant wipe. Oh, it's an aluminum-free biodegradable body wipe. And there's one wipe. All right. We also have this hydrating serum. Let's see, this tiny little tube hydrating serum. Let's see what it says about the hydrating serum. A skin enhancing formula that provides a boost of moisture designed to combat harsh climates. The serum helps the skin adapt to temperature extremes. I don't know how many uses you're gonna get out of this little sample. So there's that. We also have this Air Repair Complexion Boosting Moisturizing with hyaluronic acid. And again, it's a really small sample. We also have this shave oil. Okay, a little shave oil here. And last we have this Christopher Robin, what are you? Well, let's look and see what this is. Christopher Robin, thickening paste shampoo. The shampoo paste can provide you with stronger and thicker hair with continued use. Okay, let's see, open this and see what we've got. It's interesting inside. It kind of feels like waxy, like not what I'm used to a shampoo being like. The scent is really nice. Okay, this is what I would call like a masculine scent. I hesitate to say that because I don't want it to sound sexist or offensive to anybody. But when you are getting a box that's supposed to be geared towards men, you kind of want different scented products than you would get in another beauty box like Ipsy or BoxyCharm or something like that. So All right, well, that is all we have in this box. Now, I have already canceled this box. So the first box was not a whole lot better. And I really felt like even at $10 a month, the samples they're giving you, it's just not worth the price. There's so many other boxes out there that will give you more like deluxe size samples. And even with Ipsy, I know it's not geared towards men, but you get at least like 1 or 2 full-size products in their base bag, their glam bag. So I don't really feel like I'm getting my money's worth out of this. It's a nice box. The idea is good behind it. I wish that there was more boxes out there that are geared towards men, and I don't find that this box really has been giving products. I mean, yeah, there's the shave oil in there, but I don't know. I was rather disappointed with this box, so I've canceled it. Let me know what you think of the box in the comments below, and if you think that this box is worth the $10 a month. I'd be curious to find out what you think of that. So anyway, that'll do it for this video. Again, thank you for watching. I appreciate everybody's views, comments, thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already to my channel, I would really, really appreciate it. Otherwise, everybody, I hope you're staying healthy and happy, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.